British media The Guardian reported Monday that at a secret CIA detention site in Afghanistan, a Pakistani citizen was used as a living prop to teach interrogators torture techniques. A Pakistani expert has slammed the US's appalling atrocity in torturing detainees in its black jails around the world, saying, "You can't even imagine what methods were used in prisons."
When the US came to Afghanistan in 2001 and they started bombing and they used daisy cutter bombs and whatnot against the people of Afghanistan, to whom they were saying that we are coming there to help you and to save you. So what actually they did was they ruined the whole country, and they were, of course, they were handling many secret prisons in Afghanistan. Bagram is one of them, which was a known prison. Then there was a black prison, a black hole, which was a very notorious site, and nobody knew what was happening over there. Every kind of brutality was happening over there with the detainees.
Following the war on terror launched by former U.S. President George W. Bush, U.S. intelligence agencies have set up under-the-radar jails for people suspected of terrorism. The Guardian said the full horror of what took place in these black sites is still emerging.
The American soldiers were torturing the people, not just male people, also women and children and old people. You can't even imagine what were the methods over there. They were given electric shocks. They were not allowed to sleep. They were allowed in a very cold temperature, minus degrees. They were made to live there. They were exposed to all the extremities of the weather. So in that way, humanity was actually degraded, and specifically Muslims. I would just summarize that US has been known, and the world knows about it, that they have plans. They had created facilities in which they had a grave-like cells. And in grave-like cells, they were keeping the prisoners and torturing them in the graves. So that was, I suppose, the worst method ever can be to torture any detainee.